Apple's WWDC Swift Students Challenge. Do you know what is it? Or have you even heard the name of this event? If you know about it, it's great. But even if you don't know about it, this video is going to be all about that. For this video, I have got Dhanraj with me, who is Apple's WWDC Swift Student Challenge 2021 scholar. And in this video, Dhanraj will be sharing all the details about this event conducted every year by Apple itself. So let's get started with the video. So, first of all, how did you got to know about this?
When after my 12th, I watched the WWDC, I think 2018, and I really liked the technology they are presenting to the world. So first time I watched the WWDC, at that time I didn't know about this Swift Student Challenge, and I wasn't aware of it. So it's like I was assuming that it is a worldwide event, anyone can attend it, and but it is not. So after a year, I was learning iOS development and Swift programming language, and I got to know that Apple, along with the WWDC conference, Apple organizes one competition for the students, uh, and every student from the world can participate in it. So I started preparing for that before the WWDC around I think 3 months. They announced the date of the WWDC, and at that time the Swift Student Challenge will be open. So basically, what is Swift Student Challenge is students can participate in this challenge by creating one Swift playground. They can show their passion about their technology through this playground. They can use the Apple technologies and create the interactive Swift playground that can that is creative and something new. Okay, so they can use the Apple technologies and create one interactive playground, and they can submit it.
Okay, so is there any criteria for getting selected for that, and what's the process? What it involves? Means interviews or any project to submit? How it goes?
No interviews. It's like a project competition. So first of all, you need to create your Swift playground, and you can create the Swift playground from the Xcode app from Mac, or you can use the Swift playground app from iPad. Okay, so first of all, we have to make Swift playground using the Apple technologies. You can use anything from the Apple developer technologies like augmented reality, machine learning, and there are many other technologies we can use. So in this playground you have to create one interactive scene that will be presented within 3 minutes. Okay, then you can just add pages in the Swift playground, and when your Swift playground is done, you can simply test it. And this is the first phase of the process. And after that, it is next one is application form. Okay, so you have to go to the official Apple's website, Apple developer website. And in that Apple developer website you can simply see the Swift Student Challenge over there. Apply for this by, you have to provide your personal details, your college information. You have to upload your college identity or anything that proves that you are currently a student. And next, there are 4 questions. Like first one is about your playground. So student need to tell the tell about the playground created in the first question. Next one is beyond WWDC. So in this question, students have to answer that how he or she is contributing to the community and adding value to the tech community and stuff like that. And third one is I think apps. So in this question, you have to you can simply just show them how what apps you have created and how these apps are creating impact in the market. And last one is I think comments. You can just add your uh, opinions or your thoughts in this last question. So this is about the 4 questions. and you have to upload your playground in the zip format in the less than 25 MB on this application form, and you have to submit. So for this Swift Student Challenge, Apple gives around you 20 days, and in this 20 days you have to create your Swift playground, write the pieces for the these four questions, and you have to manage all things in this 20 days.
Okay. Do you have any idea that how many students get selected for every year?
Around 350 students will be selected from the world.
Wow, it's great. Like from the globe, only 350 people are selected by tech giants like Apple, and you were one of them. It's great. So, after being a part of it, how was the experience? Means, what you have to do after being a part of this program, and what do you get to do, or some extra stuff you get to know, all these things.
Yeah, so after applying, so Apple will announce the result before 1 week of conference. So after that, if you want, so you will get the swag kit from Apple. So it will contain the hoodie, cap, and congratulation card and pin set. So it can vary every year. And apart from that, you will get 1 year Apple developer membership. So of $99. So you can just publish your apps for another 1 year from that membership. And if your apps are creating good impact from the app store on the app store, Apple will feature it on the app store. So on the homepage of the app store, it will be featuring all around the world. So this is the very great for independent app developer. Apart from that, uh, we will get access to so the developer conference in the week. So you can just interact with the Apple developers on one to one.
What personal benefits do you get, like in your career or anywhere? What are the benefits of being a part of it?
Okay, so first of all, in this first 20 days, anyone can learn a lot because the problem you face, the obstacle you face, you have to find the solution for it independently. It is very great experience for the students.
Okay, so how was your personal experience of being a part of this program? Any special thing you want to note or any comment?
Due to the pandemic, it was held virtually. Otherwise, Apple requests all the winners to come to the USA in the Apple Cupertino uh, Park, Apple Park, and the conference will be held uh, in person in the USA. So this is one of the great part we missed due to this pandemic.
Yes.
And another part is connecting with the student developers in the Swift community or Apple community virtually. It was a really good experience connecting with them, talking with them, exchanging our experience.
And what would be your suggestion for the students like me or at my age, like first year, second year students who want to be part of any such program? What should they do at the early stages?
They should at least apply because I observed that many students didn't get the resources or they don't get to know that how to apply, how to create a Swift playground or these things. So I also this is my second attempt and I got selected. In the first attempt, I didn't know about how to create it and how to submit it. So I failed at the first time and I learned my mistake, and I just corrected in this attempt. So don't feel disappointed if you been rejected. You can just apply the next time. So it is very important to at least apply. Apple basically focuses on your creativity and innovation. So every year, students create one Swift playground and showcase their passions through their creativity and the innovations. Apple focuses on the creativity because uh, they want something new and innovative. So this is thing I want to add to this part.
Okay, meanwhile, this conversation, you used the word Swift playground many times. Would you like to clarify that a little bit more that what exactly it stands for?
So it is like project. Swift playground is like a project, so you can just create it with the Mac Xcode app or the Swift playground iPad app. So basically what is like, it will create one new project, and you can just add your functionalities in it. You can just code your functionalities and your playground. So I will give you the example of my playground of this year. So I created my playground with the Xcode app on the Mac, and my idea was like to demonstrate how machine learning is can help the in the cryptography field to enhance the features of the data security and integrity. So basically what I created is I created one playground called cryptogram. Okay, so what is cryptogram is basically uh, is the camera which uses the machine learning to store the uh, text or your data in the any object. So how basically it works is, so let's say you have you have, let's say, one object. Let's take an example of headphones. Okay, so we have to just scan these headphones, and it will be identify uh, the object name with the machine learning, and you can just add your data, like you can just save your password or anything, and it will be attached to this object, and it would be stored in the database. So I integrated the sender and user in the one app. So I gave the option to scan it. So if the user scan similar object like headphones are various types, right? So if user scans this object, it will return the encrypted value. And if object is not registered or added before, so it will just give the error. So my focus was to demonstrate the how machine learning can help in the cryptography field to enhance the features in the data integrity and security. I would like to add one thing. So as I mentioned before that the resources on the internet are quite less. Okay, so many new students got confused how to apply, uh, how to create the Swift playground. So basically, I want to suggest to these students that you can just reach out the recent or previous years winners on the on the Twitter. Many winners are on the Twitter. So you can just reach out to them and ask them your questions. They will definitely answer your queries. So don't hesitate to ask to these winners, or you can just message me regarding your queries.